Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello everybody. Welcome to part 13 of the series. This is insane. There's definitely heavy rain, high winds, lightning everywhere, and thunder everywhere. Like, it's just all over. Oh! Speaking of the devil, man, that was big. Oh. Dude, this is insane. Look at this, man. Okay, guys. Wow. I can't even speak right now. Okay, guys, if you guys watched part 8, of the series, it was uploaded back in the summer, I discovered something that I never seen before. Okay, so one time a lightning flash came by and blew up that street light right there. Right there. That one right there. It blew up that street light one time and it blew it up again. Oh, okay. But luckily it came back. It came back. But I don't think it's gonna be back for long. Oh my god. This is insane. I never discovered a storm like this. But apparently, I just got a flash. Oh! I just got a flash flood warning on my phone. And yeah, and it said it was gonna happen tonight. And this is tonight, and this is a big, disastrous storm. Watch this, another lightning flash is gonna come by and... Oh, I called it! Oh! Dude, I knew it! It was coming. It was coming from a mile away. Dude, look, you hear the thunder across. You hear that thunder across by? Oh my god. Wow, hear that thunder, man. Wait, is there another lightning strike? I have a feeling. Come on, lightning strike. Come on. Be a big one. Let this be a big lightning flash. Oh god, the rain is starting to get heavier. Oh! Dude. Oh my goodness. The rain is getting heavier and heavier, and the wind is... Oh. Listen to this thunder, man. Hold on. Let me open the window. Okay. If you guys can't really hear the thunder, look at this. Check this baby out right here. Watch this. It's gonna be a big one. Wait. I saw... Oh my god, dude. This storm is no joke. This storm is no joke. I'm not kidding right now. This storm is no joke. This is gonna end all night, man. It's like, it's 10 o'clock. Just past 10 o'clock. Wow. Oh, man. So many lightning strikes. So many lightning flashes, man. Wow. Just wow, man. Oh my... Oh! How many was that? Was it like